OpenWRT versus pfSense versus OPNsense, custom router firmware versus enterprise firewall solutions. So when it comes to building a powerful, flexible home or small business network, your choice of firewall router software is critical. These three are all different approaches. One is versatile open source router firmware, while the others are enterprise grade firewall platforms with advanced features. Now let's go ahead and see how they compare. So OpenWRT is a highly customizable Linux-based open source firmware for routers. It supports a wide range of devices, lets you install thousands of packages, and gives full control over routing, firewall, VPN, and more. Ideal for users who want to turn customers or consumer routers into feature-packed networking machines. Now, pfSense is a free open source firewall router distribution based on FreeBSD. It's designed for enterprise grade networking security with features like stateful packet filtering, VPN, traffic shaping, and load balancing. Often deployed on dedicated hardware, pfSense is favored by pros who want robust security and flexibility. OPNsense is a fork of pfSense with a focus on usability, frequent updates, and modern features. It offers a clean web interface, advanced firewall rules, intrusion detection prevention, and traffic analysis. Great choice for users wanting an enterprise class firewall with a user-friendly experience. Now let's go ahead and look at the feature showdown. So OpenWRT transforms off-the-shelf routers into highly customizable network devices, perfect for enthusiasts and tinkerers. pfSense offers enterprise-grade security with deep control, ideal for professional environments and serious home networks. OPNsense builds on pfSense strengths but emphasizes ease of use and more frequent updates, making it accessible for users wanting powerful features with a friendly interface. Now my final thoughts. So go with OpenWRT for flexible, customizable router firmware on consumer hardware, or opt for pfSense for powerful enterprise level firewall and routing solutions, or go with OPNsense for an easier to use enterprise firewall with modern features.